Hey there, YouTube. Look what just came in the mail. A brand new 1/24 scale Axial Deadbolt. It is a sweet looking little rig. Look at that little tiny helmet. That's pretty awesome. I like that. Let me get this open here for you. Don't know what I did with my knife, of course. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a degrees test with the Redcat Sumo over here, and we'll see what degrees these two vehicles will go up. I'm seeing that the Deadbolt is actually a little bit longer than the Sumo, so I'm guessing the Deadbolt should go up just a little bit steeper degrees. Oh man, that's a cool looking little truck. They even have it in a little rock background there. That's neat. Oh, awesome. Came with a charger. Came with batteries for your remote. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Not a whole lot of ready-to-runs that come with batteries for your remote. And here's the remote, nice and bubble wrapped up there. And the remote looks pretty good. I like the look of the remote. It's kind of a smaller remote. It looks like it comes with some spare links too, in case you end up breaking the links. That's cool. Sweet looking little rig here. Looks like we got a zip tie holding it in. Let me get my knife so I can cut that. Sorry about that, guys. I should have been a little bit more prepared. There we go. And the beast is released. Wow, look at that, guys. Definitely quite a bit bigger than the Sumo. Quite a bit light. Yeah, it seems like the Sumo might be a little bit heavier. Let's get my micrometer out here. We'll go from center of hub to center of hub. It looks like it's about 123 on the Sumo. And it's about 134 on the Deadbolt. So it's actually about 11 millimeters longer, which should be a pretty decent difference when we're doing this degrees test. The Deadbolt should go up a steeper degrees than the Sumo. Let's see how wide they are. The Sumo is about 105 millimeters wide. the deadbolt is actually about 98 millimeters wide. Oh wow. No, I think I was wrong there. Yeah, the Sumo is actually a little bit wider, which that's going to make it so it can side hill just a little bit better, which that's awesome. I like to see that. Let's take a little look on the inside of this guy. I believe there's only the two little tiny body clips here, and it hinges from the back. Oh, nice. That's a really nice setup. Take a look at this, guys. It looks like it has a 300 milliamp battery in there. Guessing it's 2-cell, I'm not positive. And yeah, you know, like a lot of the weights push forward. It's a good looking truck. You know, my first little look at it, setup. Oh man, it's a cool looking little truck. I'm getting these batteries in the remote here. Let you guys look at the inside of that just a little bit more. And this has worm drive axles, which I think it's a super awesome thing to have for a small vehicle like this, because it's going to give it's going to make it so it can drive slower, easier. Which is a super big advantage when you're looking at a rock crawler. I'm trying to figure out this remote right now, how the batteries are supposed to go in. Sorry. See if we can get this truck turned on, do a little degrees test. Okay. Oh, that's funny. All the different ways of stuff needing to get plugged in, huh? Looks like this little tiny lead here comes over and plugs into the battery right over here. We'll see, you know, if it has a little bit of charge right out of the box. Hopefully it does, so I can do a little bit of a degrees test for everyone. Okay, let's hit the on button. Got some little lights too. That's cool. Oh, we're ready to go, guys. Put our body clips back in. Oh, isn't that awesome? Ah, that's cool. Do a little bit of rock crawler climbing here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, on my side. That's cool, guys. Look at that flex. That's pretty sweet. Okay, let's see if the Sumo has some battery power. Look at this giant remote for the Sumo.
What is that? What? Those are two.
Making a video, guys.
Oh. Okay, let's get out of the video.
There we go. There's the Sumo. The Sumo is pretty cool because it has all-wheel steer and it has different modes. You can crab walk. It has all steer. It has rear steer. It's a pretty cool little rig. It runs off 4 AAA batteries. Pretty sweet little truck for sure. Let me get you set up over here at my degrees ramp. Okay, everyone. Here's my degrees ramp. There's 40 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and start out, I think somewhere around 48 degrees. If I can get my ramp to stay there, sorry. Okay. I guess 52 degrees will work great. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, we'll try the Deadbolt first. Oh, 52 degrees is pretty rough. Oh boy. Let's see what the Sumo has. I bet it'll flip right over. Oh yeah, the Sumo didn't have it either. Okay. We're gonna have to come down a little bit on our degrees here. What do we got? Got 45 degrees. Okay, let's try this again. Here we go, guys. Let's see if they have 45 degrees. No. The Deadbolt just fell right off the side. It didn't have proper grip on its tires. There we go. There we go. The Deadbolt has 45 degrees. Oh, it definitely bounces a little bit when it falls, which is nice. Okay, let's see if the Sumo has 45 degrees. Oh, line up again here. Sumo's lifting that tire. Yeah, it doesn't want to do it. Let's see if they'll do it on the Deadbolt side. Oh, it's lifting that tire and just sliding off the side. It might not want to do it. It started crawling up. Oh, Sumo just doesn't want to quite try to get up that 45-degree angle on the sandpaper. Well, I guess that shows you that little bit longer wheelbase really helps out the deadbolt. Let's see. It's 40, 44, 43 degrees. Okay. Let's see if the Sumo has it now. You can do it, Sumo. I think a pin just fell out of the Sumo. The body clip. It may be the combination of the Sumo having just a little bit wider tires or wheelbase, and it's trying to fall off of this track. So it's not a very accurate test of how steep this Sumo can go up. So it's not as much of a fill for the Sumo as it just actually has a wider wheelbase than the Axial Deadbolt does. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can put my degrees tester up to 46 degrees. A little bit of technical difficulty here. Okay, there's 48 degrees. Let's see if the Deadbolt has this. I think it will. It was coming up. But once again, it's sliding off the sides, so it's not a very accurate test of the degrees that this machine can come up. It's coming up 48 degrees, but it just won't progress past a certain point. And that's just because this board is made for 10th scale vehicles. So I'm only able to ride on one side. So thank you very much for watching. As always, have a great day. Subscribe, hit that like button, and get out there and do some RCing of your own. Bye.